welcome back to my channel, and today we will continue on the journey of getting 100 SAT Math. And today we will continue from question 67, and you can check again the video before about from question 55 of practice 2. And if you haven't subscribe my channel, so please do it now, because you can upload more videos about SAT and also other knowledge. Okay, now let's do the first one. Number 67 is about geometry. I think it must be easy for you. Okay, it said that the triangle, wait, now what color do you want? Maybe pink. Okay, we have F3H is similar to triangle JKL, so and we will put the letter here, but remember to put it in order. Okay, and then we have side of F is 308 over 317, and you see that because of two triangles are similar, so it means the angle here 3 must be equal F, so it's still 308 over 317, so it must be, let's see, B. Okay, now number 68. So they ask how much time does it take for the number of bacteria in the population to double. So you see the constant here. I will write down the equation. Okay, you see this is the initial number, so we will forget about it, and here is the you see it's a constant, so it means if 2 here, it means the number will be doubled, and here is what we should consider. When you see T over 410, it means that after 410 minutes it will be double. So but when T over 10, so can you answer that how many minutes that it would double? 10 minutes, right? So in this case, the answer should be 410. Yeah, right. Wow, this is easy because they just ask, we just convert it into 4G 4J plus 9 equal K over P. Easy, right? So correct answer must be A. We have the line P. We will put it in the right side, must be y equal 6 minus ax over 4, and then we will have y equal 3 over 2 minus 2x, and they ask about the slope of line R, and line R is perpendicular to the line P, but remember the concept that two lines are perpendicular when their slopes time equal -1. Here is the slope of the first line, and here is the slope of the second line, and two lines are perpendicular and they must time equal -1. So in this case, you see that line P has the slope -2. So we time it x is the slope of line R, and then we it equal -1, and we will solve it. X equal -1 divided by -2 and 1/2, right? We have a circle and the center is O, the measure, and we have the angle RS, and we have the arc of this angle is 100 degrees. So they ask about the degree of the angle ROS, so it must be the same 100 degree. So the formula here, try to remember that the central angle must be equal to the arc opposite. Okay. Oh, this the tricky one. You must look at the graph very carefully. So they ask about the equation of the graph. Okay, you see. Now we will consider the difference between 4 answers. Okay, and the constant, the slope of four equation are the same, so we will forget about it. We will consider the later, like x minus 5 and x plus 4, or x minus 4 or x plus 5. Okay, now look at the graph. We see that one x-intercept in the graph we can see is 5 and 0 and 4. So the form of your equation must be x minus 5, x minus 4, and x. Okay, so now look at the answer. Sorry, here -4. Okay, sorry. Okay, and now we will delete letter A, letter B, answer A, answer B. We just consider answer C and answer D. Okay, now I will draw again the graph. Oh, it's bad, but I think it's still okay. Here either -5. Okay, sorry, my bad again. I will do it again. Okay, x-intercept is -5, 4, and 0. So the form must be x minus 4, x plus 5. So we will cancel answer C and answer D. We just consider answer A and answer B. So now you look at the graph again, and you see that here is the curve. So if you see the curve, it means the equation must be in quadratic form. I mean in the form here. Okay, it means square, and here is the linear. Okay, linear form. So it would be this form. So now we will have the answer that x plus 5 and then square, because here is the curve. Okay, so the correct answer must be B, right? Okay, they ask about which type of equation. So we have x equal y. So yeah, very obvious. It's the increasing linear, right? Okay, now the solution to the given system of equation. You can solve it by hand or your calculator, so whatever. I think it's very easy one. So because I'm the lazy girl, so I just use my calculator. Solution is x equal 4, y equal 6, so my answer is B. This also the very easy one. Wow, we are lucky today because we just see some very easy questions. I appreciate that. It would be equal 6x cube. And okay, B is my answer. So this very familiar for you, right? When we have x equal x, it must be infinite solution. So like when you replace any value, you will the equation also true. So for the same for this question, my answer is C, infinitely many. Okay, wow, the question very long. Okay, we will let S represent for favor and Y equal Y represent for against, and we will write a system of equations. We have that read the second sentence that 3 times as many people voted in favor of the proposal as people who voted against it. Okay, we will have S equal 3y, and we will have 15,000 more people voted in favor of the proposal than people who against it. So it means that x equal y plus 15,000, and take out your calculator. We will solve it. X equal 22500 and y equal 7500. But look at the question, they ask about how many vote against the proposal, so we just consider y here. So my answer is A, right? Wow, this question also very long. Now we will read it together. Well, you see, it said that after, like later, it will decrease, so 30, like the initial value. So wait, they ask about the y-intercept. Now I will repeat some concept. Okay, y equal as equal as plus b, so b here is the y-intercept and a here is the slope, so they just we just need to consider about b. So here in the question is 30. Okay, so as I said earlier, 30 is the initial value. So now you see on the screen answer C. They said that 30 flood us when he began to make the particle. So it's true, it's completely true, but how about answer D? No, it doesn't mention anything about the beginning, so it's incorrect. Okay, so my answer is C. Right. Okay, this the easy one. We have 16 over 15 pi, and they ask us to convert into degrees. So remember, pi here equal 180 degrees. So we just take 16 over 15 times 180. We will have the degree 192. Right.